Hey, I have a question for you. If you've been trading for a little while, you've probably found yourself in one of these dilemmas. Perhaps you've seen the price, like here, for example. This is a chart on Walmart, and you've been watching it for a while. You've seen it, it's been rising up for a while now, and for the last month or so, and now it's dipped down a little bit. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean that, wow, it's in a good uptrend here? The price has just dipped. Perhaps this is a good time to buy. I can get in here at a better price. Or is this actually now the start of a new downtrend? Maybe it could fall all the way down here to 51 spot 35, where it was just a month or two back. Who really knows? You're just gambling if you're trying to make that kind of decision. It's just speculating, and no one really knows where the price is going to go. The other dilemma that you might have found yourself in that you've been in this trade or in a trade such as this one, for example, and you have seen the price drop a little bit. Now, uh, does that mean that you could cut your loss and get out and at least keep a little bit of the gain or most of the gain that you've made? Maybe have a trailing stop loss order in place. You could just cut your losses short, which is what's usually recommended in most of the books on trading. Uh, or you could, let's say, if you got in up here and it fell, putting you into a loss, you can either, as I said, cut that loss as your first choice, or the second choice is to hang on and hope that it recovers so you don't have to take a loss. I mean, you don't want to really lose. Cutting a loss, there's an argument for doing that. Cut your losses and let the profits run is the mantra that most trading educators will say. But a loss is a loss. It depletes your account. Perhaps it would recover. Maybe this is just a bit of a zigzag and it's going to come back and break through this previous high here. I mean, these are the sorts of dilemmas that you'll find as a trader, and they can be quite difficult at the time. What about if I said there's a way we never have to worry about any of these sorts of dilemmas? You can avoid the whole guesswork, you can avoid panicking and worrying, you can avoid the whole roller coaster that goes with trading when you're making decisions on the fly, making your decisions on the run. That's just ridiculous. That's crazy. Stop doing that. It's just not going to help you at all. Your trading career will probably either fizzle out or you'll really struggle the whole time. Why not use a system? If you haven't already heard of trading systems, I highly recommend them. You can find lots and lots of trading systems at www.awesometradingsystems.com. Here's an example of some of the systems that you can find. A system, before I show you some of the charts, which look like this and this, a system, well, if you think of the letters SYSTEM, a system could stand for save yourself time, energy, and money. A system has been tested. A system's got predefined strict rules. You can trade it in a very mechanical way. It will tell you exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. Now, if you're following something that's been traded before, you've got figures here. You can see how well the system's done. There's star ratings. You can see how long the system's been traded for, how many trades it's done. I mean, this one, for example, is a great one. It's been traded for almost 1,500 days. That's years and years. The number of trades it's done is just under 2,000 trades. The average length for the trade was 4.6 days. The average win percentage, the win-loss ratio was 77%. That's quite good. The annual return with commissions included was 95%. Now, why reinvent the wheel? Just follow something that's shown itself to have worked in the past. Here's some more statistics you can look into to compare systems to see which ones work better than others. There's all sorts of systems. They cover things like Forex, stocks, futures, options. And you can see just something you can find. I'll help you get access to this site. If you go to www.awesometradingsystems.com, you can look at these systems and compare. This one's got the monthly results for the last 4 years. Most months have been winning months, with an average return there of looking about 7% or so for the months, and it's turned $100,000 up to about $450,000 since it first started in 2007. Now, as I said, have a look here at awesometradingsystems.com. There's literally thousands of systems, and there's even an auto trade facility. So have a look at this site, and you'll get access to a lot of these systems. Hope to speak to you soon. Take care.